Well, hello. So I just want to take a few minutes here and show you something that I find really handy to do. And it's in a scenario where, for whatever reason, I need to change a number of column names. It could be I needed to change every column name, or maybe I just want to change a handful, and I have a particular method that works really, really well. So if you imagine this is just a table of data with all the column names as they exist. And what I've done is I've just created a list of what the names were beforehand. Okay, so that's what they are. And then these are the names I want them to be after I use the process I use. So if we take segment, I'm going to rename that to area. These all stay the same, but when it gets to manufacturing price, I'm going to change it to unit price. Sales has got an extra space in it, so I'm going to tidy that up and get rid of that leading space. But everything else is going to stay the same. So I've started off in Excel, but it was really just so that I could build that. So I'm going to copy it. And I'm just going to enter that in to Power BI, just via enter data. Paste that in and give it a name, meaningful name. So that's rename columns and OK that. Right, so now we'll have an object, a table, that is all about renaming columns. But what I want to do first off, so there's two parts to it. First thing I want to do is, this is my control area, and I want to turn that into a list. Add a function step, and just to the right of the equal sign, I want to start putting in my formula, and it is Table.ToRows. Okay, so note I am, and that's one of the reasons why I wanted that space, I'm just typing everything in as it exists without any spaces, and that allows IntelliSense to find what I'm looking for. So I can now accept that, open the brackets, get rid of the pesky close so I can put it where it belongs at the end of the statement, and now we have a list. So what we have here is a list of the old and the new, and next up we want to use that list. So let's go to data, and this time press the actual add step, and once again just to the very right of the equal, I am going to say table rename columns, and look, voila, I can now accept that and open the bracket, get rid of the pesky close, and here it's saying after the step promote headers, comma, use the rename columns list. Look, and just type that up. It's come up at the top of my list, so I can just tab to accept it, and I can close it and accept that, and voila, we have it changed. So if I go to the step before, you'll notice the area is segment there, but once we move to custom, it's now become area. We go to manufacturing price, next step, we'll see it's unit price, and so on. So it's just a really simple way to just rename your columns in a very fast and efficient manner. So hope that's useful for you. Cheers.